Hello everyone, welcome to moving vlog number 2. I am currently parked outside of Best Buy because I am picking up a TV that I ordered this morning. It's just a small one, it's gonna be for my room. I am currently checking in because I'm doing curbside pickup. There's also Five Below behind me right now, and I'm thinking I wanna go check it out. I'm just gonna go pretty quick because I woke up way later than I had planned today. I set my first alarm for 8:15 and I didn't wake up until probably almost 11. After this, I'm gonna go to the apartment and I need to be there to grab some packages that got delivered. I'm so excited for us not to have to worry about being there when packages are being delivered anymore, because that's the only annoying thing. Like, we obviously want to ship bigger things straight to the apartment instead of to our dorms, because it would just be a hassle to like carry it to the car and like get it there and everything. But it's annoying having to coordinate our schedules around when things are getting to the apartment. Like, my mattress got delivered and Rachel had to go like bring it inside, and I still haven't seen it. So today, that's one of the things I'm gonna do, is like set up my bed. I'm very excited for that because my bed, like, I just wanted to invest in it and like make it the coziest, comfiest bed ever. Like, my room is going to be the comfiest place in the world and I will make sure of it. Also, yesterday I got Starbucks and they made it like completely wrong. Like, they kind of did like the opposite of what I had asked for. I asked for a strawberry acai lemonade with light ice and no berries. They gave me the strawberry acai refresher, I think, with light lemonade, strawberries, and then no ice. Normally I'm not the type to like ask for another drink and like correct them and stuff, but today, or not today, it was yesterday, I did ask and they gave me a new drink and it was totally fine, but I saved the other one. Hold on, pause this story. They're coming out to my car right now. Hi.
What did you want?
Back seat, please. Thank you so much. Yay, we got the TV. Anyways, I asked for the new drink, but I saved the one that was wrong and I just like put it in my little mini fridge, and then I put it in my own cup and made sure to get all the strawberries out except for like one, and just put my own ice in it, and like it tastes fine. So I got free Starbucks today, basically. I feel like this is the longest intro ever. I am just like rambling about every little thing that is popping into my head right now. So I'm gonna shut up. Let's go to Five Below. It's closed. There's literally a sign that says store is closed today only. I think that was a sign because I actually was gonna try to make it like super quick, because I was like, wait, I literally have a TV in the backseat of my car right now. I probably shouldn't like go in and just take my time, not trying to have my car get broken into. So looks like we're heading straight to the apartment. It was not meant to be. Okay, I'm here and I'm out of breath. I just brought so much stuff in from my car. And then I also brought in this super cool mirror. I got this when I was thrifting and I am so excited about it. Isn't it like gorgeous? And guess how much it was? It was only $35. Like, how was this only $35? Are you kidding me? I turned the air on because I am like literally sweating over here right now. But would you guys like a room update? You guys probably won't even notice there's anything like different, but the landlord and maintenance person came and fixed a couple things. There's now a doorknob on my closet. There was not before, and I don't know why. And this window was fixed. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but that window was broken. And then there was something weird with my bedroom door too, but they fixed that. And look what has come. This is my mattress. So today I'm gonna put this on my bed. I have my mattress pad just out because I was letting it expand, because you have to let it expand for 48 hours. I think I said that in my last vlog. I haven't done anything since my last vlog, so we're picking up right where we left off. My dresser got delivered and I'm still waiting on a bunch of other packages, so we'll see when those come. Probably gonna be by like 8 tonight, but I'm hoping they come earlier because I don't want to be here like all day. I would rather be able to be back by 5 because I have a final, but it's online, so I could do it here if I wanted to, but I don't want to miss the dining hall, because if I miss the dining hall, then I'll probably have to go buy dinner, and I might just go get Subway because it's easy, because we don't have any food here yet. But we'll do some grocery runs very soon, because by Friday, which is in 3 days, I will be full-time living here, which is actually mind-blowing, and I still have not processed it. That's crazy. By the time you guys are watching this, I will have been living here for probably like a week, which is also crazy. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out what I want to do right now. I'm gonna take a few minutes to like cool off because I feel disgusting, and I'll update you guys in a bit. I wanted to show you guys something else that I got when I was thrifting, because I was in Santa Barbara this weekend visiting Brayden, and I found a few things, one of them being this mirror. Brayden actually found that, so thank you, Brayden, for spotting that, because that was such a good find. He must have an eye for this because he also found this mirror. Like, are you kidding me? It's so cute, and guess how much it was? It was $2. It's so good, right? Okay, let me show you where I might want to put it. I think it would look so cute next to like my closet like this or something. I'm not sure yet, but wouldn't that look adorable? It's the perfect little spot for it. I feel like I can like use it to like put on my jewelry and stuff like that. And then I also got a couple ice cream bowls. So here's what they look like. They're so cute. And they were only $1 each. So I'm gonna wash those. I can also use these for like acai bowls in the morning or like smoothie bowls or whatever. I cannot wait to make little bowls like that for breakfast every morning because I used to do that all the time when I was home. I also have a blender coming in the mail today. This is also exciting. Okay, the next thing I want to do is set up my mattress. I'm just so excited to have my bed set up. Like, you guys have no idea. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I thought that would be so much easier. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm actually so out of breath. That was so hard. That was not a one-person job at all. Also, it looks really funny right now. The mattress topper looks super weird on it, but hopefully it looks better once I put like the mattress pad on it so it's all like connected as one. That probably makes no sense. You guys will see. I'm gonna go turn the air back on. Okay, the mattress pad is on and it's already looking a little bit better. Now it's time for the fun part. I am gonna put on my sheets. Oh my gosh, these sheets are so cute. These are actually adorable. Also, fun fact, I've only ever used comforters, so I've never had to put on a duvet. I've heard that they're kind of a pain, so I'm a little nervous. Okay, either I did this wrong or people overhyped how difficult it was gonna be because that was pretty easy. Let me like make it look nice and we'll see if I did it right. Okay, it looks completely fine to me. I think it looks really cute. I just obviously need to put pillows on it. But currently 2 of my pillows are at my dorm and then 2 are in the living room used for our little DIY air mattress couch. I'm so excited that this is done. It looks really cute. Also, all of my furniture that I got is white, but I will have a lot more color in here once I just start decorating more. So if you're like, why does it look like an insane asylum? That's why for now. Okay, I am on my way to Target. We're gonna do a really quick Target run. I totally forgot that I was gonna try to go to Target while I was here. I'm going a little later than I would have wanted to, so I'm just gonna make it really quick. I just want to grab some stuff for this weekend. I really want to bake. I want to make like muffins or cupcakes or something, so I'm gonna get some stuff for that and then just like a few other random things. Okay, I'm back home. That was such a stressful experience. There was like a weird issue with parking. I don't even want to get into it because I'm like embarrassed. But anyways, it just took longer to get back than I expected. I still made it back in time for my final at 5. It's actually 5:51. I'm still doing it, but I have a minute to like film something. This final is like easier than I expected. But anyways, I was stressing because I don't have food here for dinner. I definitely will not make it back in time for the dining hall. And I didn't want to like leave to go get something because I didn't know how long this final was gonna take. So I didn't even put anything away. All of the Target stuff is over there except for the eggs that I got. Those are in the fridge. But anyways, I DoorDashed Taco Bell because I was so like anxious. Like I had just like a stressful situation starting this final. I didn't even think that I would need to be here for this long, but some packages still haven't gotten here yet. So I'm probably gonna be here till the end of the day. I just needed to eat something and Taco Bell was quick and easy. So I DoorDashed it and got here super quickly. Anyways, I should probably go because I'm literally in the middle of a final right now. Update, I finished my final and now I'm gonna start working on all of this stuff. So I just packed up a bunch of random stuff. In this box, it's like a whole bunch of different stuff. There's shoes, there's hot rollers, there's a water bottle. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know where I'm putting a lot of things yet. So it's kind of hard to unpack when I don't have any storage. I don't have like a dresser. Like the majority of this is probably gonna end up just on the ground in my room, which is fine for now. Obviously, it'll get put away later. So I'm gonna start working on that right now.